Indeed, today, hard-working, dedicated, focused and qualified Kenyans who could never have bagged a certificate will walk home with a promise of a job and a bright future for themselves and their families. In these certificates, we are giving them the key and empowering them access to unlimited opportunities in the formal sector, locally and internationally. Let us affirm skills and competencies of the Kenyan people, and let us give them an equal chance to participate in national development. And what has happened today is the best thing that could ever happen to this country. And I want to say, wale walikuwa wanasema that the hustler narrative was not real. This is what the hustler narrative is all about.
This Juakali sector, the people who actually have the skills are the industry where we will have our students at TVET 70% of the time. And Your Excellency, we are twinning our students, our institutions to the industry. And the industry in this country, Your Excellency, sio zile vitu zinatoa moshi. This is our industry.
It is my trust that with this formalizational process, all the RPL actors will work collectively and provide additional opportunities for the RPL applicants, who include workers and runners of all ages, unemployed people, refugees, immigrants, and other marginalized groups to be able to uplift and enhance their skills in this.
Na hari ukungũĩri wa mũthĩ wa maĩ thĩ